Introducing the On-Site Hose Assembly Workshop, a revolutionary solution designed to bring hydraulic hose replacement and repair directly to your doorstep. Our compact and fully equipped mobile unit, configured with state-of-the-art hydraulic tooling equipment, is stocked based on your orders and needs with a comprehensive range of high-quality hoses, fittings, and tools. Minimized downtime ensures a rapid response, minimizing downtime by providing on-site hose replacement. Convenience and efficiency. We bring the hydraulic hose service to your location, saving you time and ensuring a more efficient solution. Cost-effective as eliminates the need for expensive equipment transportation and reduces overall downtime. Tailored solutions. We offer customized setup of our mobile workshop, utilizing the most optimal tooling machines and furniture. 24/7 availability. Our on-site hose assembly workshop may operate around the clock, providing a 24/7 solution. Enhances safety by quickly addressing hydraulic issues, preventing potential accidents or damage. Environmental responsibility. By offering on-site services, we reduce the need for multiple trips, contributing to a more environmentally friendly approach to hydraulic hose maintenance. With the on-site hose assembly workshop, configured with cutting-edge hydraulic tooling equipment and Danfoss hoses and fittings, we provide a seamless, efficient, and cost-effective solution with industry-leading components tailored to your unique operational needs. Inside, you'll find a range of high-quality tooling machines, ergonomically arranged racks and cabinets and work tables and hoses, fittings, all stocked based on your orders and requirements. With Danfoss components at your disposal, you can trust in the reliability and durability of every repair and assembly. Our on-site service ensures a rapid response to minimize downtime, keeping your operations running smoothly around the clock. Whether it's a remote job site or a bustling industrial facility, our on-site hose assembly workshop is ready to meet your needs wherever you are. Experience the convenience, efficiency, and reliability of on-site hydraulic hose service with Danfoss, your trusted partner in hydraulic solutions.